What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing. We're going to get some Hendrick Motorsports diecast in this box. It was basically an all Hendrick Motorsports diecast haul for today. And we're going to get into them, check them out one at a time. This first one, you can see, is Alex Bowman's number 48. This is the Ally Coker's Garage. Pretty cool diecast. Real nice and vibrant. This is from last season, of course. And it's the diecast body and chassis version. So it's a little early release. One of 288. On this Alex Bowman. We're going to move on to the next one coming up. Let's see what we got here. It is William Byron's Liberty University, number 24 for this season, the 2024 version. Same thing, diecast body and chassis. One of 288. The Chevy. Of course, the only diecast they can really put out, since the Toyotas and Fords changed their bodies. They're taking a little longer, I guess. Yeah. Halfway through this one, we got 4 to look at. Next, let's see what we got. So this one is the Hendrick Motorsports 40th anniversary diecast. I'm a big Hendrick Motorsports guy. Jeff Gordon, all-time favorite. Chase Elliott, current favorite. Always been a Hendrick guy. So, Hendrick Motorsports 40th anniversary. One of 288 again. Of course, this is the diecast body and chassis, the early on releases of these. So that's the logo they're using for most of their 40th anniversary merch. Got the Chevy on the hood, the roof. 1984 there on the name banner with the Chevy, of course. Another logo they've been using. And Hendrick Motorsports there on the back name banner. So pretty cool. Pretty cool to get. And then we've got one more. And I am glad it's in here last because I think it's the coolest. This is Chase Elliott's UniFirst 40th anniversary number 9. That he will run alongside all of his teammates the special scheme for the 40th anniversary at Martinsville coming up. So this is his Hendrick Motorsports 40th anniversary UniFirst. Early release again with one of 288 diecast body and chassis. So really cool. To get this before the actual race it's going to appear in. That's pretty cool. They've done that with a few cars this season, so that's pretty nice. You got Kyle Larson's Indy 500 and Coke 600. All that merch is already out. And of course we've got this one before Martinsville coming up in April. So that's pretty cool. Once again, an all Hendrick Motorsports unboxing. Let's try to move these packing penis in the box for one more little overlook. So again, it looks like this maroon is what they're going for with their 40th anniversary. That's the logo, and all of their cars will be that special scheme and special color for Martinsville coming up in a few weeks. And of course you got William Byron, the current hottest driver in the series, coming off a W, coming off the 500 of course. Then you've got Alex Bowman. So again, as a Hendrick guy, pretty excited to get these. But go ahead and like this video and leave a comment on which one you think's the coolest. Subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking this one out.